So I'm redoing that because I forgot to hit record. Anyways, so here we are. We're replacing the power supply.
All dogs like, oh, Bruce is trying to be professional.
Well, I'm recording now, Tom. And I'm totally keeping this in. It's totally fine. So I've already went ahead and gotten my replacement power supply for this system. I've already taken off the cover here. And I'm just going to have this power supply pop out for me. Ever so carefully. You firmly grasp it. Firmly grasp it, says Patrick. You want to make sure you unplug your ribbon cable right down there. Very important. And you huck this into a box somewhere that you'll never see again. And grab the new power supply. As always, you want to make sure they are the same power supply. As you can see here, as soon as the camera focuses, focus camera. God damn it, camera won't focus. They're the same, trust me. Shit, which one was which now?
That one looks cleaner.
Okay, yes, this one. Alright, bear with me, bear with me. Now we're gonna go ahead. They are the same power supply. So you want to make sure you're clipping this in properly here and you're making a connection there. And while you're doing this, you want to make sure there is no charge in the power supply itself, or else you're in for a nasty, nasty shock.
You should do that, just see what they could be in for.
Well, this isn't like one of those old Animaniac episodes, good idea, bad idea, as much as I adored those.
I mean, you're always great for a bad idea.
And there's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes you turn the bad idea into a good idea. Then you want these two prongs here, go right up into here. Make sure it's nice and firm. Put it back together. We're good to go.